A human milk bank in Missoula opened last fall. Now, the nonprofit gave new parents Shiloh and Joe some options, but as I found out on special assignment, their ultimate decision didn't come without a few reservations.
The doctors gave me about a 10% chance I'd ever have babies.
At 27, Shiloh Tkachuk was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer. Doctors operated immediately, performing a double mastectomy.
Basically, I kind of came to the conclusion that I may never have kids. And that was okay. You know, I was going to start traveling and doing some really good things for me. And Joe and I were going to go all over the world. He was going to start taking me everywhere. And then, oh my gosh.
Despite the odds, Shiloh was pregnant. But because of the cancer, knew she couldn't breastfeed baby Oakley. Then they discovered the Mother's Milk Bank in Missoula.
There are antibodies that can't be recreated in formula, and those antibodies help prevent a ton of infections. Just so many benefits of breast milk over formula.
Using a stranger's milk seemed odd at first to new mom Shiloh.
Right away, I said, no, I am not giving my baby milk from somebody who I don't know.
And there are risks and some dangers because certain diseases and medications can be passed through breast milk. But Dr. Vanetta says feeding your baby milk from a licensed milk bank is completely safe.
There are certain criteria that a milk bank has to meet to even be certified. And so some of that includes having a physician actually sign off that the mother is healthy, first of all, and then the mother gets tested.
Look at all that milk.
Every ounce of milk is pumped by healthy moms, then donated to the bank.
They're giving me life-saving, vital nutrition, and I'm saying thanks. I appreciate it, and all the time. I mean, this is hours of pumping. I don't know. It's amazing.
Also amazing, since the bank opened in 2013, registered nurse Lindsay Wiseman has worked for free upwards of 30 hours a week, pasteurizing and testing each bottle before it heads out the door. While the breast milk does cost slightly more per ounce than powdered formula you'd buy at a grocery store, doctors say the difference plays a long-term role in a baby's health.
Reduce the number of kids that have to actually change their lifestyle a little bit because of certain allergens that trigger their asthma. So they do affect quality of life. And that's where the benefits of breast milk are really going to play a long-term role.
Women like me who physically cannot breastfeed because of a medical condition, it is awesome and it's wonderful that we can actually provide for our children.
Shiloh has her last 6-month appointment coming up, and if that one is clear, she will be officially considered cancer-free.